Morse Group is really a conglomerate of machine tool distributor companies and accessories. My grandfather and grandmother started it in their kitchen on that green table, January of 1941. The foundation that he and my grandmother put into place was one of just complete trust and hard work. They took care of customers. 17 divisions, 18 brick and mortar facilities. Our customer base in terms of verticals, whether it's aerospace, automotive, medical, defense, it's really everything.
We offer what we call lifelong learning. We support our customers with ongoing training. We'll do everything that we can to provide the customer with support throughout the life of their tools.
Our biggest competitive advantage is our focus on the end user customer satisfaction. It really is about making them productive. And if we're aligned and supporting our customers and our distributors appropriately, we're going to grow this business. And that's what's fun about this.
Make sure that everything is going as seamlessly as possible. So if we do run into any hiccups along the way, we take care of it without the customer ever knowing.
The motto still sticks around here. It's customer first, supplier second, employees are third, and very important. And the owners are always last. Anyone can buy a machine from anybody, and they're going to break. And it's going to be who's going to be there to fix it and be your partner and be reliable.
Lee Morris came up with an idea called Morris Plus. This person would go in, check the customer's floor. Do you have coolant? Well, how's your power? How's your air? Do all of this to kind of make sure things are going well, and then spend time with the customer to look at ways to increase the customer's productivity.
We can sell you the tooling and help you move around to make things more productive. We don't want you to go someplace else. We want to have that relationship with our customers from the beginning to the end, and they can call us their one-stop shop.
We'll take the part print, we'll pick the machine, we'll pick the tooling, we'll pick work holding, we'll program it, set it up, deliver it to the customer's floor.
Having a machine that's down is critical. So we make a good product, so we have confidence in it. We offer great warranties, and when something does go bump in the night, we can respond quickly.
We have the expertise in multiple different industries so that we're able to take a customer's part, no matter what it is, and use as much of our knowledge to create almost like a work of art.
Most of our success is related not only to the products that we import and the quality of those products, but it's really the people in our organization.
The number one thing we can do is provide service. Timely service, accurate service, and so we overinvest in staff to make sure that we can deliver on that.
No matter how big a problem is, that we can fix it for them and make it right.
We want to be able to service anyone in manufacturing and help them become globally competitive.